Getting your Red Seal certification is one of the smartest moves you can make in your trades career. But how do you actually apply for the Red Seal exam online? Let's walk through the process, step by step, so you can focus on what really matters, passing the test. First, know this. Red Seal certification is recognized across all provinces and territories in Canada. It proves that your skills meet a national standard. That means no recertifying if you move to a new province. It's your ticket to mobility, credibility, and often higher wages. So how do you apply for the Red Seal exam online? Start by identifying your trade on your province's apprenticeship or trades website. Whether you're in Ontario, Alberta, BC, or elsewhere, each province has its own online application portal. You'll usually need to create an account, upload your credentials, like hours logged or certificates, and select your trade and test center. Some provinces even allow remote proctoring, meaning you can write the exam from home, under supervision. Once your application is submitted, you'll pay the exam fee, which varies slightly across regions. You'll then receive confirmation of your exam date, location, or remote access setup. Now here's where it really matters: your preparation. The exam is not something to wing. It typically consists of 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions. You'll have about 4 hours to complete it. And these aren't just simple recall questions. They include real-life scenarios, diagrams, safety problems, and technical applications. So how do you get ready? The most effective candidates start preparing 3 to 6 months in advance. That means reviewing the Red Seal occupational standards for your trade, breaking topics into chunks, and testing yourself regularly. If you're not sure where to start, head over to redsealstudyguide.ca. You'll find helpful tools like checkmark, question and answer books, explanation-style resources, and online timed practice exams that simulate the real Red Seal experience. These aren't just textbooks. They're study tools built by tradespeople, for tradespeople. And if it's been a while since you've done a formal exam, don't worry. You're not alone. Thousands of Canadians write the Red Seal every year. Many are mature learners, newcomers to Canada, or workers returning to the trade. This exam doesn't test random theory. It's designed around your daily tasks, like reading blueprints, measuring tolerance, troubleshooting, and working safely. One tip: don't just read from start to finish. Divide the content into sections: safety, tools, codes, math. Use flashcards. Join a peer study group. Even teaching someone else what you've learned helps lock it in. When you feel ready, you can log into your account and schedule your exam online, at your pace. And after you pass, the doors open. You'll be eligible for higher-paying jobs, interprovincial positions, leadership roles, or even teaching apprentices. So, if you're wondering how to apply for Red Seal exam online, it's not just about submitting a form. It's about preparing smart, so your hard-earned skills shine through. Get started today at redsealstudyguide.ca, where you'll find downloadable PDFs, exam simulations, and the support you need. Take that next step. You've already done the work. Now it's time to prove it.